This is chapter 8. This is learning about pi. This is about volume, perimeter, and areas of your math. Was expecting to be an engineer. I was unprepared. Get prepared for the skill though. The area's there. From the beginning it was about finding an area and perimeter, solve a problem, cut the crazy math like it was cake. Now the area's back again with another problem. Why does this problem never seem to end?
Lesson 8 ain't over until we solve these problems, which is bad because I've had enough. Learn the lesson, do the homework, and when I'm done I'll throw my hands up. I'm afraid of what will happen to our grades. When the thought of failing math is driving me to insanity, I'm sure that I've aced.
My grades are up, finished like a typhoon, yeah buddy, shooting grades straight up so I get the grades up to at least the average. Getting grades straight up, scoring through the roof, yeah here we go. But the chapter ain't up, we still got some work to do, the whole math room blew up. This is about chapter 8. This is learning about pi. This is about volume, perimeter, and areas of your math.
I can see the next lesson with every worksheet that I finish. So close to D equals 2R, I can almost taste the pie with every lesson. And if I don't get enough ink in the pen, I'll just borrow a pencil to get the next grade. To give up a shoe, will I survive this class or what?
They said that I was smart enough, good enough to do the math. I'm not an honor roll, I'm a student. It's hard to adjust. Plus I can find the radius D over 2. The math door is open, so you best get a clue.
Lesson 3 in this math book, and I don't know too much. Well, I don't really care. I'm gonna learn the stuff whether I like it or not. To get the grading scale up 60 to 75, do the work and I love it. Like MCK without a fish, we're tossing the dish. And if there comes a time where 8.3 ain't enough,
I'll just tell them straight up, yeah, we running this book with an iron fist, we taking it down. I'm teaching myself with this book, though I'm stuck. But I'll make the cut, cause I'm solving this math, and I like getting stuck. I got excited at the sight of 3D figures. We learn orthogonal views, so keep it shut.
I use the face, edge, and base, bro. Prisms and such just make me brainier. Please, let me remind you of what we got so far. 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, and we got more, bro. Man, this stuff cool or what?
This is about chapter 8. This is learning about pi. This is about volume, perimeter, and areas to do your math. So get your math book, stack your papers so don't come unless you want to learn. 8.6 now, and this math is our ammo.
This is it, surface area, 2b plus L. This math is so intense it's hard to breathe and I'm not losing it. Refuse to quit, fires to spit. I gotta do this math stuff cause this is it.
Ain't got time to lose, it's all up to you, it's what we learned to do. All these angles, they just aren't my groove. I won't quit if my corrections are overdue. We learning this math, only McKelvey can do. I only got one thing to do and that's math right now, and I gotta do it quick.
Now we got these cones to start back on. There's no other shapes, so you best go study your math books cause we passed 8.6. Cause we're gonna be using pi so crazily. And guess what volume would be? It'd be 4 over 3 pi times radius cubed.
I know you're gonna doubt me, but you best start to believe, cause this math is what we gotta learn to succeed. And if you don't like it, then so what?
Our sick fires about math be burning it down. Our math is too good and foolproof to fail. I don't see why math just annoys you. You must not be learning the lessons, cause every time I try to explain it, you just leave. I just go, oh well, then start back at B.
This is about chapter 8. This is learning about pi. This is about volume, perimeter, and areas to your math.